Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and I am joining the Not2Shabby YouTube Hop. This is called the N2S Spring Things, and we will be showcasing the new Box of the Month kit. So I'll be showing you real quick what's inside the box. You will be getting that Tinkerbell Sequin Mix by Cat Scrappiness, and we will have two paper pads included in the kit. One is called Spring is Here, and the other one is called Bunny Ears. They are both 6x6 paper pad, and then you will also get this sequin tray as well as this new 6x6 stencil called Spring Borders, and this was designed by Alicia, who is Call Me Crafty Al here on YouTube, and I'm so excited about that. You will also get the ephemera die cut pieces and two stamp sets. This first one is called Blooming into Spring, and you get a few sentiments with that nice cute adorable rabbit there image, and then the other one is kind of my favorite because I love gnomes, and this is called All Ears or something like that. I'll be zooming in real quick here. Yes, all ears. So it features all of these cute gnomes and some carrots and flowers. So we will get started. Since you guys are hopping along, I'm just showing you that I've already colored the images here using a combination of my Copic markers and of course my Spectrum Noir markers. I opted for bright colors because I do love bright colors, and even the mushrooms, I combined a few of my markers, and I really love how this one turned out. So this is what it looks like once they're all colored up, and now we will be using my scan and cut machine to die cut the images. And I did use my precision snips because I didn't like the way it was die cut. I have to realign my machine, I guess. So I sprayed pixie spray on this stencil because it's very delicate, so I just wanted to have like a light tack on this stencil. So I set that aside to dry for now, and then I'm using this stencil by My Favorite Things to create two hills and just like a dirt sort of thing, because I will be using the images to put the carrots on this. And then we will also be using this grass stencil also by My Favorite Things, and I was just layering the colors there. I'm using mowed lawn or something on the grass here, and I would add two grass hills there. So instead of using some die cuts for the grass and for the hills, which I have a few dies to do that, I didn't want to do that because I didn't want a lot of bulk in this card. So now we will be layering the tulips on the background. So I will use this masking tape from, I think I got this from Ace Hardware or something, just to cover the tulips, and then I'm going to do the stalks first with the same ink mowed lawn, and then now we will be removing the tape and then layering the tulips, and I will be covering those with more masking tape so that I don't have to go outside of the stencil. So since this is a very delicate stencil, I decided to use my small blending brush, and I'm just adding the colors here softly. I know it doesn't look like it, but it is, because I kind of fast forwarded this a little bit so that I didn't have to take too much time showing you guys the process. So now that that's done, I wanted to add the sky in the background, so I'm using another stencil by My Favorite Things here, cloud stencil with the Savage Patina, and then using some small blending brush to finish the background. So here's what it looks like once they were all done, and I really love the colors. So I'm going to add the image here, the little gnome with some foam adhesive for added dimension. And then I will be adhering the rest of the images with liquid glue. I really love the colors that I used here. I think it's a bright and cheerful card, and I love the way the colors blended together to create this beautiful spring background. So I'm just adding those flowers, and then I'm also going to add the carrots with some liquid glue. And then I've decided to add a few more to the scene, so I already have some die cuts with the sun, and the sun is actually a lawn fawn die, and then the clouds is a die set by LDRS Creative. So off camera, I have already stamped and embossed my sentiment on some black cardstock, and then I'm just adding the clouds and the sun on the background to finish the card design. And I really love how this turned out. What about you? Please leave me a comment below and let me know if you like this card design. So now we will be adhering this on a top folding A2 size card base with some liquid glue, and then to finish the design I will be using my white gel pen just to add a few dots on the carrots, and that is pretty much it. So I cannot wait to create more cards using this month's box, and I know I only created one card for you today, and that's only because I showed you the process of this card, but I can't wait to show you more samples using this month's box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Everything will be listed in the description box below. And if you like the card, I would be so grateful if you can kindly give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. And click the notification bell to be notified of new content from this channel. Thank you again for stopping by today. And happy crafting!